Oh shoot! Here, put it in the light.
I think it just wants to sleep.
Put it in the light. Here, this one.
Yeah, he might have fell from a tree and he might be tired and. Okay.
Found a baby squirrel. Its leg is broken. How do you know its leg is broken?
Right here.
Whoa, this one. And
The vaccine broke.
there. You guys want to be in a video?
No.
Why? Oh, okay. How about you?
No.
Why?
Because if I am, I'm going to tackle him.
You are in one right now, don't you know?
Yes, and stop.
Your face. Okay. That thing is not dead.
I know. What are you doing?
I have one of his at the house.
Which ones?
I used to have one just like that. But broke. And my baby cousin broke it.
Feel so bad for that little baby squirrel.
Come back